Hey, what's going on guys, GHz here, back with another very quick and exciting unboxing tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna be unboxing something new, and that is the laptop HP Probook 450 7th generation Intel Core i5 10210U 1.6 GHz to 4.20 GHz. So without any further ado, let's get started right now unboxing this matter.
So first of all we have to unbox this right now. So we have cut through a scissor and open the box. As soon as we open the box, we can see a black bag of HP logo printed, and then we have to scroll down the bag. As you can see the adapter of the charger that directly connects to your charger port of the laptop, and then you can charge this through adapter. And this is another function, and that is the mouse of the port. You can use this mouse wherever you can. Another thing is you have the usability of the plug and play directly to your power supply for more convenient. And then you have the user manual, how to do this and how it works. Also you have a DVD player to recover the DVD driver and etc. So here is the core part of the laptop. It also has a warranty on about 3 years. You can get support from any corner of the world for any software issue. But there is 1 year of the warranty for this battery and adapter. Warranty cannot capable of any kind of physical damage product. Let's talk about the key and unique feature of this laptop, and that is the fingerprint. This fingerprint option is unique and the color is silver, which is pretty good for the marketing of their strategy and their company, because the silver colors is something like between black and white, and it easily catches the viewer attentions, and they pay heed to the viewer attentions a lot. So you can choose this as you want. This laptop provides you a chance to connect an additional monitor for better multitasking or larger viewing with Blu-ray player or cable box and a flat screen HDMI projector. This technology can deliver a pure uncompressed digital signal with crystal clear images and multi-channel audio. Should you need more space, the HP Probook 450 G7 laptop device includes USB Type-A and USB Type-C for your external storage. The HP Probook 450 G7 laptop driven by integrated Intel UHD graphics 610 are perfect for people doing everyday graphics processing. This includes watching or editing videos, 2D gaming and general word processing. Also, it consists of one USB 2 power port built with an IPS panel, delivering crisp, clear HD content for better graphics for video editing experience, as well as capable of 3D render workflow. So much talking is about external look. Now heading to the internal part of the notebook. Firstly, here comes the battery. HP Long Life T-Cell 45-watt lithium-ion battery with a weight of 0.22 kilograms on about half pound. It also offers webcam, 720 HD HP and IR camera, and the weight of the whole laptop is 2 kg, quite easily as a typical laptop. It also offers Bluetooth 4.2 combo, and it also supports spill resistant built-in keyboard. Best Wi-Fi system is used in HP Probook 450 G7 laptop, which is a wireless networking in the 802.1 sets of protocols, providing high-throughput wireless networking networks on the 5 GHz band. In HP Probook, the Bluetooth 5.0 can transfer data with a speed up to 2 Mbps. It can be connected up to a distance of 30 to 70 meters or 985 to 250 feet. So finally, it's up to you whether you can buy it or not. We are talking about its pros and cons, and now let's talk about its price. Well, according to my recommendation, this product is cost under $800 with add-ons external mouse, which obviously worth the price if you are in dining situation, lots of business and carry works. Also, you are a freelancer, this is the best choice laptop for you. Highly recommended.
Anyway, if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel GHz Work, and then press the bell icon to always get notified all the time. Peace.